We said one day, one of the boys said, Swami, when we are here, we behave very goody-goody. Students, when we are here, we behave very, very goody-goody. But when we go back, Swami, we get into that bad habits, bad thoughts. Why is it that this happens? Swami narrated very beautifully. Swami said, this is not your mistake. See, when you come here, you are all like earthen pots. Matti kundal lanti vallu. మీరు నా దగ్గర ఉన్నప్పుడు ప్రేమ అనే నీరుతో నేను నింపుతాను మిమ్మల్ని. I fill you up with love called water. You guys, when you come back, go back to your homes or cities, what you do? You take this earthen pot and put it in sunshine with bad company. In sunlight, which is called bad company. And the water that is prema gets evaporated. That is why you actually behave in bad ways. Instead of that, what you do is, when you are here, fill up your earthen pots with good things, prema, go back, put it in a water tank called sadhana, satsangam cheyandi, good company lo undandi, and your water is always full. You will never be in bad company and bad thoughts. And that was one of the wonderful messages that Swami has said. And that is when the Hyderabad Youth Group made it mandatory that every week we meet in a satsangam, sit down and talk good things, That is the path forward that we did. Then we also said, Swami, we have come here so many times, continuously we have come, but unfortunately, we don't see major change in ourselves. We have not changed much. You agree? A lot of us actually feel that. We don't see that change. Then Swami said, correct era meeru, bad habits. మీరు ఫ్యాన్ తెలుసు కదా, మీరు ఫ్యాన్ చూస్తేవా అని అడిగారు. చూస్తాం స్వామి. ఫ్యాన్ ఎట్లా ఆన్ అవుతుంది? స్విచ్ ఆన్ చేస్తే ఫ్యాన్ అవుతుంది. మీరు స్విచ్ ఆన్ చేసినప్పుడు ఆ ఫ్యాన్ తిరగడం బ్యాడ్ హ్యాబిట్స్. ఫ్యాన్ స్విచ్ ఆఫ్ చేస్తే ఏమవుతుంది? ఆగిపోతుందా? కాసేపు తిరుగుతుంది. ఇట్ రొటేట్స్ ఫర్ సమ్ టైమ్స్ అండ్ దెన్ స్టాప్స్. Similarly, that when you switch off the bad habits, what will happen is, it will rotate for some time. That bad habits, bad thoughts will pervade for some time, then will stop. And he said, let me assure you, whosoever comes to Satya Sai will definitely ward off bad habits. This is what I'm assuring you. So that is one great message that Bhagavan had given us. And he also told us, you're like house flies actually. You know what you do? Eagle anti vallu meeru ఈ చెత్త మీద ఆ చెత్త దీని చెత్త అన్ని చెత్తల మీద వెళ్ళి కూర్చుంటారు. మీరు చెత్త ఆలోచనలే వస్తాయి మీకు. ఇన్స్టెడ్ ఆఫ్ డోంట్ బీ ఏ హౌస్ ఫ్లై, బీ లైక్ ఏ హనీ బీ. గో టు దట్ ఫ్లవర్, ఐడెంటిఫై దట్ ఫ్లవర్, టేక్ ద నెక్టర్ అవుట్ ఆఫ్ ఇట్. I want all my students, all my youth members to be like this wonderful honeybees. Go and suck the nectar out of good things. This is one great message that Bhagavan has actually said. Right. Then one brother actually said, Swami, I get very angry very fast, Swami. I am not able to control my anger. Please give me a solution. See, we had the audacity to talk to Swami like a friend. Sometimes we spoke to them, Swami, jeptana meer kasta meeru. See, we never thought, sometimes we went out because Swami actually also played with us in that matter. He played with us in that manner. So one boy said, Swami, can you actually, I'm not able to control anger. Give me some tips, Swami. Then Swami said, hey, manchi tips istanu. And then first tip entante, whenever you get angry, you chant within yourself, I'm a man, not an animal. I'm a man, not an animal. I'm a man, not an animal. Chant it 3 times, your anger will subside. If this doesn't happen, then Swami said, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then the boy said, Swami, that is also difficult, Swami, sometimes. Then Swami said, walk out from the place, go open a tap, see the water come down. When the water is flowing down, temper is supposed to go down. I don't know what theory, but Bhagavan says it's done, it is done. That is how we have to accept it. Then he said, దానికంటే మంచి ఒక ఉపాయం ఉందిరా. ఏంటి స్వామి అంటే, Swami said, when somebody is, you're getting angry at somebody standing in front of you, Swami said, recite this, Suklam Baradaram Vishnum Seshivarnam Chaturbhujam Prasannavadanam. And Swami started laughing. And let me tell you, the way he laughed that day, we have never seen Bhagavan laugh. He enjoyed that joke so much. And we were wondering, what is Swami doing? Why is he laughing? It was Suklam We didn't. Swami said, don't you know what I'm talking about? Said, Suklam the one which carries clothes. Vishnum, all pervading. Seshivarnam, which is grey in color. Chaturubhujam, 4 legs. Prasannavadanam, donkey donkey, Annar, Swami. And Swami said, you chant this, that fellow will be thinking that, Arey, this fellow, I am scolding him and he's reciting a padyam to me. This is a very great soul, but you know within you, you are scolding that fellow back and you're also enjoying the entire thing. And this is a good kind of Swami's humor, So those of you who want to actually practice it, start practicing. It's a beautiful thing, we have done it.